Hello there, it's Halo with the Armageddon Report. First, the sun is trying to kill us. Here we talk about the Space Weather Prediction Center. G2 geomagnetic storm activity is now occurring as the result of the ongoing coronal mass ejection effects, as though I know what that means. I did find out this, though. If you click on that, it actually gives you the scale of what these G numbers mean. So G2 is what we're up to, which means high-latitude power systems may experience voltage alarms, long-duration storms may cause transformer damage. And then aurora-wise, you may see it as low as New York and Idaho with a G2. All the way up to G5, you might see it in Florida and southern Texas. How about that? Cyclocane.com, we've got a new storm in the Northwest Pacific, Tropical Depression 8W, I believe is its official name, and it's booking to South Korea. So, however, max predicted speed, 46 miles per hour, so it will reach, I believe they use the same scale, tropical storm status, however, not going to really, definitely should not be a hurricane, right? I shouldn't ever use the word definitely because I did not read the predictions right. And then if we go over here, stuff will show up. There we go. So Amelia no longer being warned on, so basically she'll disappear off this map shortly. Hurricane Fabio is still a Category 2 heading towards cooler water. And if you look at like the spaghetti models, Fabio could end up in California. I don't know, is the real Fabio, where does he live? Does he live in California? Maybe they can go hang out or something, grab a bite to eat. I have no idea. However, California seldom ever gets hurricanes because of sea surface temperatures. So at the worst, I think Fabio would probably be bringing extra rain, and then they'd be calling it the remnants of Fabio instead of Fabio because it'd be long since not a tropical cyclone, I do believe anyway. Wicked Wicks, where there's severe thunderstorms or something. So Montana, North Dakota, Minnesota has the slight risk today. However, if you look at the wind map, there's a whole bunch of other 5% areas going on today. Hail map loses the stuff down here, but you got the 5% over there. And then tornadoes, though, North Dakota and Minnesota is the 2% chance. So that would mean this random point in North Dakota, there's a 2% chance at that random point, or someone within 25 miles of them will see a tornado today. So not very high, but, you know, I don't know. Tomorrow, who knows what this means, so we move on to here. Here's the actual severe probabilities, 5% over here, 5% there. Day after tomorrow, it always says that when there's no slight risk area, when it doesn't get up to 15. Anyway, so this is the day after tomorrow, so the 5%, is that right? Day after tomorrow, right. And then there's the day after tomorrow, something. Anyway, 5%. And then days 4 through 8 still saying potential too low. So for instance, yesterday, this day was still saying potential too low. So it probably means there's a 5% chance on the horizon. But anyway, potential too low technically does mean that there's no severe thunderstorms forecast at all. Yes. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of the screencast or something. And I now need to add some links to the Space Weather Prediction Center, the SWPC. And sort of speaking of which, you can get your severe weather at wikidwix.com or the Storm Prediction Center, the SPC, or weather.gov. You can get your cyclone information at cyclocane.com or National Hurricane Center or Joint Typhoon Warning Center. How about that? Or whatever your RSMC is, or whatever Regional Specialized Meteorological Center, whatever it stands for. Anyway, that's it for today. Enjoy what's left of the wonderful weekend. Before the sun kills you, that is, of course.